This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, I'll give this week time. Uh, by end of this week, you have to submit all your assignments. Who have not submitted, okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So, what is the problem with this one? Okay, so I'll take this. First, go to data source. Did I send the data set, right? I have sent the data set, right? Excel question. So, I have sent the file Tableau data set. Hong Kong Metro updated. Delhi Metro. So Delhi Metro map I've taken. Just go to sheet view. So I think I've shared the images also in the last class. Delhi Metro. Let us see 6. This is the image what you have to load for the Delhi Metro map. Okay, so now after loading that, so x-axis and y-axis I'll take, and then I'll take the station, line into colors and stations. Yeah. X-axis, y-axis. First, let me check the data in the x-axis, y-axis. X-axis, y-axis, most properly it is latitude and longitude and the decimal values. So now here I'm getting this line. So if I open the image here, so can you see the exact line of this red color, red line? So after creating this map, just exactly you have to load the images in the background. Okay, go to maps, add image, browse the image, Tableau assignments. There are 6, set 3, and this Delhi Metro map preview is coming. So I'm giving the access here something, right? Okay. So exactly if I see the entire grid, I'm just matching this. So the red color line is nothing but this one. So Sahandra Shash, welcome Sheila from Shastri Park, Kashmiri Gate. So the red color line is nothing but the path what I given in the x-axis and y-axis. So exactly it will be get matched like this. Okay. So once I'm repeating, see here, first load the map. Okay, take daily metro, go to the sheet, take x-axis to the columns and y-axis to the rows. Okay, and take line and station. So line to colors and station to details. After that, go to maps, background maps, Delhi Metro, add image you give. For example, I'll remove of this, nothing will be there. Go to map, go background map images. Just click on Delhi Metro map, add image, click on browse, go to Delhi Metro map you take, open this, give on the right side alignment of 840 and y-axis of 623 and you just apply. Just click on. So exactly the red line will match the data set what we are adding. So actually one slight move it has to come, one step it has to come back. 1 second. So that is y-axis, one step has to come down. So to just edit it, y-axis, one step down, x-axis, 42, apply, 50, apply. This will be exact 50, that is also fine. X-axis to the right. So x-axis to the left we want, try to give to rest 10, y-axis in the top 600. Yes. So this side it is perfect and this x-axis towards right side it has to slightly increase. So left side will give 0 and we'll check it out. Yeah, okay. So can you see here? Exactly it matches for the each and every point. Getting it? Each and every area, exactly on the area, you can see the red color dot. Is that clear? Okay. So any other assignments, doubts? Sudipta, Shashwani, of you two others. Any doubts or assignments what I given? I given many assignments what I given in the last class. Is that anything which you're not understanding, which you've not done? Any problem you met with the assignment? No assignment, no doubts other than this. Okay, hope you're not having any doubts. So we'll move for the next one. So today we are going to see the dashboard concept. Sorry, story concept. So before we create story, first let me clear all this. I will close this file also. I will take uh, sample superstore. I don't want global superstore. You take global superstore. I hope I have sent the data. Global sample global superstore 2016 data you take. Okay. Then take order sheet. Go to the sheet view. Why I'm taking this sheet? In this sheet, India locations also will be available. So we can load our countries and we can check it out. Load up. Let's go to sheet. First concept. Okay. So first concept is you have to create four chart, basic chart. I'll just raise the question. Then, so one question is nothing but I'll just raise the question on the screen. Always we use the same question. So first one will be easy. Question number one. Question number two, chart what I want that also I mentioned. Bar chart or column chart. Question number two, profit by region that I want in pie chart. Third question, okay, periodical wise, that is timeline based. Uh, month wise, month wise, profit done by month wise profits done. So month wise, that is about profit done by month wise. That is what type of chart? Line chart. Okay. So you have to do this and fast you have to send it. As already I told you, from here onwards you're going to keep on working on different concepts. Okay. So remaining few things will merge and will work on many projects. So here sales done by sales and profit done by yearly yearly view access chart. And fifth one, sales done by each state in India. India. What map I want is simple map. Plus size. First five questions to create five chart. First, finish it and send me. Anything in this doubt, only that I will do. Remaining, you have to quickly send it to me once you did. Once you're done, please send me that. Done? Okay. Whoever done, you send me, but by the time I'll just start doing sheet 1, that is by sales by subcategory. So I'll just mention the chart name, just column chart or bar chart. So subcategory is the sales done. Okay. And then pie chart, profit by region, and then third one, profit done by month wise, that is line chart. Quarter will be better. This will be better. Okay, quarter you keep it up, and then sales and profit yearly dual chart. So dual axis chart, profit and sales by the order date chart. Dual axis chart. If I expand, it should not like this. Okay. And then fourth one is over. Fifth one, sales done by each state in India. State wise sales done and the size also. Map is getting loaded. So state in table. So let me know if you're over. I thought at least one or two will be sent before I'm doing. So it's okay, fine. At least do now. Finish it and send me.
Where exit can you go?
Still I have not received anyone's. I'm waiting in the group. After 4 has been created, the next thing what you have to do, I'll tell you. Please send off the 4. Yeah, this is also nice. Mm-hmm. I'll also do the same. For what size I will do it. Straightways this says. The others, this looks nice. So same thing I also created. Mm, 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 mm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, then this. Who is this? Zarin. Dual access. What you do, right? You just convert this into continuous. Zarin. You just convert. Why? Because when you click on the plus button, it will get separate line chart. Okay, convert into continuous. That means right click on that and go choose from year to year. You would have choose year and choose the year in this place. Okay, others, and we're done. So this should make sure that dual axis this should be in the green color, the dual axis only. And the line chart also let it be in the green same, so that it will not get separate line. So the order date whenever we are taking here, we are going to take only in the green color. Done over. So now let's create the dashboard. Create dashboard. Dashboard title. Dashboard 2. Center alignment. Okay, then we are going to assign that. So now make small you just assign, because we have still need to insert something. First thing, second, third, fourth. Okay, fifth. I think this, as of now I'll remove this line access. First I'll make India, then finally I'll go with line. Both line charts, let it be in the same place. So play this, check it out. Fine, like this. Done, over. Now go for story. Sorry, go to dashboard. Check out once with the layouts. Okay, fine. So everything are fine. Last year, if you want, you can extend. So we don't want only this much. Let it be there. So again, I'll play and check it out. Clear? So now after this, one, two, three, four, five chart, one dashboard we have. So we will link the dashboard charts also. Go to worksheet. Check. Yes, everything are there. Everything is default. Fit all. Custom don't want. It will be default again here. I'll give the same. Go to worksheet. Go for Control Shift A action. Go to any one sheet and click on Control Shift A action. So click on Add Action. Go to Filter. Choose the sheet. Target sheet is Dashboard 1. And choose the option Select and click on OK and OK. Now go to Dashboard. Let us check whether it's working properly or not. Once I click on any one field, everywhere it has to get filtered. Done. Mine is slightly working slow. Done. Then with the dashboard. Let me know once you if you're done with the dashboard. Okay, now just click on the story button here. Here you can have new story. The third one here. Click on this new story. So now in this story, what and all you want to add to the story, what and all you want to add. So just I want to add everything. So double click on column chart, line, dual axis, India, and dashboard one. Added everything. After adding everything, you just play the presentation. So you can see here arrow marks left like this. Okay, so it has to display something here, at least the name of the sheet. If not displayed, no need to be. I can give some different captions. So just do double click here. You can tell the caption name. So saying that column chart, pie chart, line chart, dual axis, the map. Okay, these things. And then I not added dashboard. That also I will add it. I'll say for that dashboard. Done. Wait, I tried giving some different themes. Let's see that it works, whether it looks good or not. Okay, it's taking too much time to compute this. Yeah. So done. It's classic. So where in format in the workbooks you can go modern, previous, default, some workbooks. Themes I went here. Okay, workbook themes. So now here next, after getting the story, uh, in the top I'm getting this type of options, right? When you don't like that option, when you don't like that options, what you can do is next thing, uh, one more I'll add here. One second. Uh, okay. Now later I'll add a new. I know now I don't want. So later I'll show you that. So first here, when you click on this layout in this place on the layout here, okay, click on the layout. On the top, it is showing in the caption boxes, right? It is showing in what? Caption boxes. But now I want this to be instead of caption box in numbers, so that it will show like this: one, two, three, like this. If not, if you want, you can take arrows. Sorry, dots. If dots, if you don't want, you can take arrows. Choose the one which you want. Okay, so for me, I like dots. So I'll take dots and I'm going to go back to story here. And here, drag to add text. So you can drag something here. Okay, and this is a line chart like anything. If you want to add, you can add a text here like this. Okay, this is a line chart based on order date with profit. I think profit only. Or else, instead of that, if you want, you can take the workbook name or entire sheet name. So just add this detail. Okay, top, I can add it like this. Only one I'm adding. If you want, you can add to everything, any descriptions that you want to give. Okay, okay. So few settings I've changed with this. Clear? So now let us play this. So first dot, second, third, fourth, fifth. The classic model I given so that it may look like this. Okay, and then sixth dashboard. So for the dashboard, if I scroll down, I will get remaining everything. Okay, and just again I'll press escape. So now we will add one more sheet. a new concept. I'll tell you that. Before that, let me know, i- is this entire thing up to story is done? Hope you understand what is story, because sheets is different. Dashboard is nothing but combination of sheets. Okay, and story is nothing but combination of sheets, and dashboard is nothing but story. Is it done? Let me know whether dashboard, sorry, story is done or not. Is it done? Story is done, or any doubts you have, please let me know. Others? Done. So now what you do, as already we do, right? So exporting you will do. But before that, one thing I want to tell you, what is that means? Add one more new dashboard. To this new dashboard, just add web page. Just add what? Web page. So this web page has to give like URL www.google.com. Okay, done. So now show the dashboard title, search that you want. That concept, I'll create a dashboard. So go to story one and add that also to this story. So here you search, okay, store whatever you want. So you need to go separately to internet to search of anything. So directly it can be done here. Clear? No one of using internet. So directly you go, you work here. Clear? Now finally you go to the story, play that again once. Let me check it out whether everything else are fine. Yeah. So here it is fine. So let me log out this. Let me I'll escape it. I go for file, Now I'll export as PowerPoint. So already we have seen once PowerPoint, just click on export and export as PowerPoint. Okay, the entire story you can export it. Now today we're going to see how to export as PDF. Simple, but you'll be not having an option called as export as PDF. You'll be having an option called as print to PDF. Click on print to PDF. So how you want the entire workbook in the paper size of A4 sheet in portrait or landscape. So portrait, let it be there. Okay, so view PDF files after printing, show selection optional also. Just click on OK. So the desktop, I'll just say Tableau to PDF. Desktop, I've said as Tableau to PDF. So now exported first page, second one. So exporting had some issue, I think. So it has not properly exported. It is because of that problem is we have exported as A4 sheet. Okay, portrait mode. So that's why the pie chart had some issue, but that actually it has got corrected in last thing here. Now, if at all if you export it in the different view, you'll get different. The landscape means you may get fully. Uh, in layout, if you want to print it the same however you want, you can print it. That it's not required here. Okay. Now share to your server. So here, if you have Tableau public, okay, so if you want to share this to your Tableau public, you need to just click here and you have to go for Tableau online. Okay, so you can connect to your Tableau online account. Sign in. Sorry, well, I don't have verification code that received in your mail. So Tableau public, if it is there, still better. So why? Because just tell you why. Okay, first we'll just finish it off this one. So whatever you're doing in the offline, directly you can share them to the online. To receive the mail. mails. You will receive a confirmation code if mail address is associated with Tableau account. It expires shortly, so enter soon. Keep window while checking your code. Don't forget to enter the spam folder. So not forget to check it out in the spam. If they're telling you, so you have to check it there first. I'm not received. Inbox. I'm not received. So close here. So I just say create a site. Tableau account. I'm creating a cloud site. So if Tableau public is there, it is free. Okay. I'll just click start my trial. I need to give you my details. Click on submit. So business email ID is required. So we don't have any business email ID. For mine, I have. Okay. Check your email to activate Tableau trial. Verify your mail address. Don't sleep on your data. You have 48 hours to activate your trial. Okay. I have clicked on my different mail ID. So I'll just check with that. So just this is to teach you how to just publish. Okay. Publishing, they will give a different account when you work in your working experience. They will give a different pattern how to publish. They'll give you the URL, just you have to paste it. They will only give you the logins also. Okay, so the logins, once it will be signed in your organizations, it will be automatically there. Once they tell you to do the dashboard, and they'll tell you to publish. Once you publish, automatically they receive a notification, and they can directly check your dashboards. Okay. No spam here. No, not here, not here, not here also. You have not yet received the mail. So directly I'm trying to log in without the mail. slightly slow. We have not given any password here, but we'll try. I'm not receiving still any mails. Given 48 hours time, it may reach late. As of I've not reached. So if anyone working with me, if you have reached, got any mail to sign in for the cloud version, tell me. Anyone? No one? Anyone received any mail? If you're trying, all of my mail ID, I'm not receiving any mail ID. Okay, most probably it may receive as they told in 48 hours whenever they want to send, they may send. Okay, only security mails I'm getting. So let me activate once fully. Okay, once the mail comes, we will activate it, and after activated, I will show you how the web page will be look. Okay, how the cloud web page looks like that. If you create a URL, so slightly like that looks like a server page only. Okay, so Tableau server, how it looks like, same in that format it will be there. If you share whatever you have done that into the server concept, it's the online, if you share how it looks. So I will show you once the account has been signed up. Okay, it's already signed in many times, but that URL I forgot, so I just reset it and I'll just tell you. So other these things, creating the charts, story, and dashboard, this all these are over, right? So do you remember what is floating in this? Have you done this only tiled or floating also we have did? Hope you have did floating also, right? Floating and buttons. We completed floating and buttons. Who is this on call? Vanuja. Hmm. Please anyone respond. Did we completed floating and buttons? Yes or no? No responses. We forget whether we did or not. No. Okay. So I'll just tell you the difference. What is that? I'll take one more dashboard or story dashboard. So what is the floating means? First one you have to select floating. So previously automatically the box will come. But here I can select and I can fix where I want. Like this. I can take each and everything. I can fix or I can make it like this. Arranging automatically you can do it however you want. Just click on the bottom, top, like this flexibly you can do. So in previous one double click automatically to come off, but here it's not like that. Okay, this is what the difference between the tiled and floating. Tiled means automatic double click means any one flexible portion automatically any of the vertical or horizontal portion will sit. But in floating, if you float wherever you want, you can keep it around so you can align the each and every chart. And what is a button means you can assign the action for the button. I can add here one button. Okay, so here I add a button. For this button, what has to happen? So whenever I select each and every button, click on edit button. So for this button, what has to happen? So navigate to dashboard uh, one or story one. So when I click on this button from here, automatic has to go to story one, button style, image style. Okay, if you want to choose any images, you can choose. If not, not required. Just click on apply. Okay. Okay, while playing this, and you click on this, and you click on this, automatically go to story one. Clear? So that is like hyperlink. Whenever we click on the buttons, to which sheet, which dashboard it has to go, that you can set it up. So come to chat box. Let me know, is that clear? Whatever we have done for today. So new different things we have not done anything. Already we have done dashboards, charts, and all. We combined that into story and few things in the story about the tiles, the layout part here, and the navigation styles, and exporting to PDF. That's it. Nothing else new. Already what we have done as a compiling one entire story. Come to chat box and respond. Is that clear for everyone whatever we have covered today? Always the response will be only with three people. Swani, Shasha. Then good. So the remaining concept we will continue in the next class. So practice everything. Assignments has to be done a given time, but send as soon as possible. Start up repeating this again, next, different questions I will raise. You need to supposed to send. I'm monitoring that whoever sending the assignments in the chat box means in the group. Okay. So and whoever not doing also. Okay, so I'm monitoring that. So remaining concept we will see few new interesting things in the next class. Okay, we're done for the day. Bye everyone. We'll see you next class.